online survey in one of the ways you can earn money from your home. Here is the list of some survey sites of USA. Some points to remember while joining any survey site. 1. Use separate email ID for each survey site, only one account allowed per person. 2. Set up a free PayPal account if you do not have one. This is to receive money from survey sites. 3. Most important thing is to confirm the email. A link will be sent when you join any survey sites. 4. Only one email ID per survey site. Here are the list of some survey sites. 1. Global Test Market. One of the best online survey panel having more than 1,400 clients in more than 60 countries worldwide. Members will earn points when completing any survey, and this points can be redeemed for cash. For $10 via PayPal you have to earn 230 points, and for $50 via check you have to earn 1,100 points. Apart from this, you can also earn Amazon, iTunes, minimum $10 per 230 points, and gift certificates of Applebees, Autozone, TJMax, CVS, BabyRus, Kohl's, etc. 2. Opinion Outpost. This online survey research panel is powered by Survey Sampling International LLC. It allows its members to take marketing research surveys in exchange for rewards. Opinion Outpost rewards panel members with opinion points for every survey they qualify. If you accumulate 100 points you will get $10 via PayPal. For Amazon gift card the minimum redemption is 50 points, $5. Another very interesting feature is regardless of whether or not you qualify to complete the whole study, you will receive an entry into the $40,000 year-long cash giveaway. Each and every winner is eligible to earn $10,000 every quarter. Click the link in the description to join now.